As a first step, we will rewrite this integral as natural log of x over x times dx over x, and we will see why in a minute. Then we can use the substitution y equals to natural log of x, and therefore x equals to e to the y. Now differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx equals to 1 over x, and therefore dy equals to dx over x. Plugging all of these into the question, we get the integral y e to the minus y dy. Now we recognize that this integration is a product of two functions of y. So we will use the integration by parts technique with u equals to y and dv equals to e to the minus y dy. So here, just a quick one to say that I publish new videos every week. So if you want to boost your calculus skills for free, then be sure to hit the subscribe button below. Thank you. Now coming back to the question, du by dy equals to 1, and therefore du equals to dy, and integrating this equation on both sides, we get v equals to minus e to the minus y. So using integration by parts formula, we get I equals to minus y e to the minus y plus integral of e to the minus y dy. And performing the integration, we get minus e to the minus y plus 1 plus c. Finally, subbing y equals to natural log of x back in, we get minus natural log of x plus 1 over x plus c, which is the answer. If you enjoyed the video, then please hit the like button below. Thank you.